Today, I'll tell you how ChatGPT has progressed from its initial version to this day. Developed by OpenAI, this AI model has become better with each version and now possesses some truly astonishing capabilities. So how has ChatGPT progressed? What did each version add? Let's now investigate these questions together more closely. The first version of ChatGPT was released in November 2022. Based on GPT 3.5, it was a significant milestone in the industry of AI as the model was able to actively engage and interact with people, providing coherent responses and understanding natural language quite well. That said, this version also had its shortcomings. ChatGPT did not have memory, meaning every conversation was a fresh start. On top of that, ChatGPT was unable to retrieve current data, so all of its responses were limited to data till 2021. Regardless of these constraints, it attracted a lot of interest and was widely analyzed. GPT-4's biggest evolution over its predecessor was its ability to process language. GPT-4 was now able to give responses which were far more logical, fluent, and creative. GPT-4 also made significant progress in coding and debugging, allowing it to aid software developers with their work. Despite the improvement, two major limitations remained: no real-time data access and no memory. OpenAI introduced ChatGPT and plugin support in May 2023. With this update, ChatGPT could now browse the internet and use plugins, enabling it to obtain up-to-date information, which would enhance the accuracy of its responses. Through plugin support, it was also able to automatically look for recipes, make travel itineraries, and even execute code. Though these advancements made ChatGPT far more usable, they were only available to Plus users. In November, OpenAI rolled out GPT-4 Turbo and a redesigned user interface. This model was faster, cheaper, and specially engineered to be more powerful than the previous version. ChatGPT receives a major upgrade, now being able to allow users to speak to the app directly instead of needing to type. This meant ChatGPT could return answers to questions rather than only typed responses being given. The context window also expanded, meaning it would be able to retain and process longer conversations. One significant milestone was the integration of DALL-E3. ChatGPT was not just limited to being a text-based AI output anymore. It could also create images for the user. Along with that, the code execution feature got an upgrade too, which brought more functionality, especially for the Python users. OpenAI made one of its biggest strides in the start of 2024 by integrating memory functionality onto ChatGPT. ChatGPT now could keep track of previous conversations and user preferences and tailor responses for individual users. For instance, if the user used to talk about certain theme a lot, then ChatGPT would know this and provide better answers. Moreover, users could choose to turn memory off or reset it, so there is more control when it comes to privacy. OpenAI improved the optimization of GPT-4 Turbo even further in May 2024. The web browsing tool became more intelligent and efficient, thereby enabling ChatGPT to provide real-time information more precise than before. DALL-E3's image generation features were improved further to produce even more details and higher quality images. ChatGPT's code execution abilities also received an upgrade. Now, ChatGPT is able to take on bigger and more complex software projects. Furthermore, OpenAI released dedicated versions for enterprises so that ChatGPT could serve not only individual users, but also businesses as a robust AI assistant. We have witnessed a lot of development from the original version of ChatGPT to ChatGPT-4. From an internet-less, bare-bones model devoid of memory that only processed text, it has transformed into an AI capable of sophisticated speech, creating images, executing code, and having memory. What are your thoughts on ChatGPT in the coming years? What do you think should be the new capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and enable notifications if you would like more of these videos.